What up, everybody? 2024 Upper Deck Marvel Flair. 2-box, pick your parallel, number 24. This is the last break, potentially ever. Unless another random case just, like, shows up. You know? We moved through a full case today. Good things happen when you discount things closer to market price and keep the room moving. Know what I mean? It's kind of how I feel. Kind of how I feel about some of this stuff. If we're going to see another break, it has to be Genesis, I think. I think that's it. I see Formula 1 moving for stupid. He's taking his F1. I added that last night. Yeah, I stayed late last night and updated the graphite prices, added case 2. Did I add Genesis? No, I added that when I was on last night. Just so happy we were able to move through a full case of this. It's nice stuff, but forget about it. More tennis. We'll go in the store soon. Tomorrow night, I believe. I believe in a thing called love. Dun, 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 dun. I believe in a thing called love. Ooh. Music, we ran 2 cases today. It's actually nice stuff. Yeah, when are we going to get bowling back? Or in here? Yeah, bowling. I know people that signed in that product. No, we just need Pop Century. That's the type of stuff that would just snap if we got older years Pop Century. Remember when we brought it back? I'm like, oh, this is just sitting in the Instagram room. Then he filled a couple breaks. People just like seeing new stuff, you know? People are, you know, people just love seeing new stuff. Wow, that spot got there. Holy heck. Wait, am I wrong? I'm wrong. Never mind, I'm wrong. Never mind, I'm wrong. Trolling. Scarlet Spider. Wow. Wow. Same algorithm to start. Look. Look. Same algorithm. What is happening? What is happening? Is this is normal? I feel like I've seen this before. 2 Power Blasts for Chemical Cat. I I feel like I've seen this before. How? Okay, someone write out the odds. Someone write out the odds. Someone write out the odds of me picking all those boxes. What is happening? We did 5 breaks before this. We did 5 breaks before this. And I picked random boxes. And I left nice 2. Oh, we lost the algorithm. We lost it. No. 2 badge Flair for Bobby soon. Did we really lose it? Oh, we're back. We're back. Because these are 2 inserts. Flairium. Sorry, you can't. It's hard to see because they're not focused. This is wild. This is wild. Write your senators, Galactus and Namar. One for the both for the Fantastic Four for Raj. No, EJD, I think. What are the odds? I feel like I've seen him have this problem before. Two solar flares, stupid fast. How about this coalition? It's fun to break like this, I guess. Iron Man and Black Panther on the Power Blast. Nice for the Chemical Cat. Oh no, oh no. Oh, Flairiums. We're good, we're good. Wolvie and Phoenix on the Flairiums. What are the odds? Captain Marvel and Luke Cage. 1-4. No, both for the Avengers spot. I believe for Bobby Soon. Two Flairiums of Captain America. Thanos. Gamora. Wolverine and Black Widow on the Solar Flare. Stupid. Two Thors on the Flairiums. It's got the Flairium spot. Rams fan. Alright, that's where it changes. Wow. Well, not really changes. But Galactus to 99 on the spring for Bobby Soon. Spring for Bobby Soon. Sorry, we need the lights. The lights just got changed or something. And Shang-Chi to 299 on the fall, Bobby Soon. Two Spideys. Two Sabertooths. Two Doc Ock. That art is incredible on the Doc Ocks. This is a change. This is a change. Here's an acrylic ether for the Raj. Acrylic ether for the Raj. And an Iridescence Daredevil for stupid. Come on, get in there nice. Sort of curved. Sort of curved. Solar Flare, Molecule Man, and Shang-Chi. Solar Flares. That's gonna be it, though. That's gonna be it. Smell like Medusa. Conical Blast. No way that they'll... Oh, it's a Flareon. Ghost Spider and the Black Cat. And 2 Flareons for Rams fan. Doom and Barnes. What an odd break that was. What an odd break that was. Thanks everybody for doing that case with me today. I do only pull for Bobby, so I should stop saying it because he's gonna get annoyed and that guy only says Bobby, so. However, if you think about it, the reason I'm saying it is because I'm hitting for the guy. So maybe I'm allowed to say it. No more Gregos. And I cannot add more stuff to the store tonight because Backer wants the stores cleared because he wants to test being on one channel or something tomorrow. Only being live on one channel. I think it's more about just the way, you know, the product we have in stock and I don't know. It's an interesting experiment, I think. Be interested to see if he fills an entire case of Disney at whatever these prices are in one day. A little over 24 hours. And it takes us 2 weeks to fill one case here. You know, that's the backer power, though. It's the backer power. Recap. Can Bobby start working on masterpieces? I'll break it. I'll break whatever. I'm telling you. There's no such thing as a hard out on this channel. I literally do not know what that means. Plus, we're not on tomorrow. 2 batch flares for Bobby Suit. Iridescence, acrylic ether for the Raj. And fall/spring. The 2 best seasons there are, fall and spring, in my opinion. Galactus and Shang-Chi. Thanks, everybody, throughout the day. We did a full case of that today. I love it. 2024 Upper Deck Marvel Flair 2 box. Pick your parallel 24. Thanks. Thank you.